Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk with AJ. So this is an in-depth review of the Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop that I have been using for a month. As I mentioned in my last video, this costed me around 17,999 during the crowdfunding. Now I ordered this in the month of June 2020 and it got delivered to me in December 2020. This is back in stock now at a price of 24,999. I've heard many people telling me that it's waste of money to invest in such kind of products. Let me be frank, this product is not for everyone if you compare this with your maid, especially in India. You're doing the wrong comparison. Most of the people I meet compare the price of this product with their maid's salary and find it pretty expensive. I just wanted to clear this confusion. This product is not here to replace your maid or cannot do the things that a human can do while cleaning. On the other hand, this one can do some stuff that a human can't do on daily basis, like cleaning under your bed, cleaning under your sofa, which is left uncleaned pretty often. Remember, you need minimum of 4 inches of height for this one to get under your bed and clean the stuff. This product also performs fantastic if you have a pet at home that shreds hair. That is a tough job to clean. This product has many advantages if you truly understand its potential. Don't expect it to clean a drink that was on the floor last night. Let me give you a quick demo. My house was cleaned today evening and no one has entered my house except my dog for 1 hour. Let's put this to the test and see if we can get some dust off the floor even after the house was cleaned by a human. Let's begin. As you can see, I have emptied the dry bin here, which is completely empty now. Also, let me tell you, this product works with Google Home, so you can just use your voice to start vacuuming your house. Okay Google, start the vacuum cleaner.
Alright, starting the Mi Robot.
So it took around 42 minutes for this one to clean my house, which is a 1-bedroom hall kitchen home. Let's open the dry bin and see if it was successful to get some dust off the clean floor. As you can see, there's a lot of dust that was captured, and that's why I don't compare this product with human cleaning. Both have their own advantages. One thing I wanted to talk about is this cleaning brush. This cleaning brush looks pretty small and you might think why this is so useful. Let me get into the details. You'll agree there's a lot of hair on the floor and this brush captures all that hair. Now once the hair is captured, the cleaning functionality is decreased. So you can see there's a small blade here, so you can just go ahead and break the hair and clean this brush. Now let me give you a detailed walk around of its application. So this is the Mi Home application, and as you can see, I have already added the Mi Robot Vacuum into this application. Let's go ahead and click on the icon. So here on the home page, you can see that the vacuum has already mapped my house. When you run the vacuum for the first time, it maps your house, and here's where the map is displayed. If you scroll down on the first page, you can see it's fully charged, and to the next you have the start and the stop button. Below that you have three different modes that you can use. First one is the vacuum mode, the second one is the vacuum plus mopping mode, and the third one is only mopping mode. Below that you have the silent, standard, medium and turbo mode, and on the last you have the water levels, which is low, medium and high. So these are all the features that I had already mentioned in my last video. Let's go ahead into the advanced features that we have. So first one is the cleaning history. Once you click on it, you will see the details when you ran this vacuum cleaners, how much area it has cleaned and how much time it took to clean your house. If we go back, second is schedule cleanup, where you can set timers to automatically clean your house. The third one, that's vacuum along the edges, helps to clean the house along the edges. The fourth one is secondary cleanup. So if you want to clean up the house again after the first cleanup, you can do that as well. So the next one is one of the most important features, that's the Y mode or the S mode. So in the S pattern mode, it consumes less battery while mopping, but it's also less effective. So I always use the Y mode, which is more effective and uses more battery. Coming to the next main features is remembering the map. Yeah, I always turn that on, and you can also create virtual walls in your room. So if there's any area in your house where you don't want this vacuum cleaner to go, you can create a virtual wall. Next is the area editor. So let me go ahead and show you. So the vacuum has already mapped my house, but you can see that the room 3, 2, 1 are a part of my bedroom and I want to combine them. So just go ahead and select them like I have done them now and click on merge. At a time you can only merge two rooms, so I'm going to select two of those, room number 2 and 3, and you can see now it's merged. Now I'm going to again select room 0 and room 4 and merge it. The rooms are merged and I am going to rename it as bedroom. Same with my living room. Room 1, 6 and 5 are a part of my living room, so I'm going to merge these as well. That's how simple it is. Let's go back. So next one is the reset map feature, where you can reset the map that your vacuum cleaner has mapped. Then we have device leveling. So just keep the device on the floor and turn this on. It will adjust itself according to the floor. And next are some of the basic features. One is the remote control, where you can manually control the vacuum cleaner. And that's it. Here you can do firmware updates, and that's it from the application. Another thing to keep in mind is that it needs Wi-Fi connection to work efficiently to the house that's mapped in the application. So here are my final thoughts. This vacuum cleaner is not for everyone, but definitely is a good fit for the one who understands its true use. Let me know if you have any questions in regards to this product. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you like this video. See you guys soon.